Hello, and thank you for viewing this video. First of all, on behalf of IRG, we'd like to thank everyone for doing their part while we're going through this coronavirus crisis. They've been gracious enough to let us do work from home, and I'm ready to get back at it, but we'll do the right thing and continue on and help one another. Today, many of you customers know that I tell you a lot of times that I don't like to recommend something that I haven't used myself and that I don't think is a value added. Today, one of these items in my home workshop, I like this item a lot. It's a safety quick disconnect by Coilhose. This is the composite model. It's all completely out of plastic. It's non-American. What I've done is I've set up a way here to demonstrate with my home compressor the added benefit that this will bring to you. As you can see, this is a traditional quick disconnect, and we have an air hose we're going to plug into. As many times, you know, especially people with a problem with dexterity in their hands, have a hard time getting that in there. And how many times have you seen somebody work through something like this? That right there. Get you an eye, could break something, could damage some equipment. So it's just not a very safe thing. Well, Coilhose has come up with this little doodad that will take care of all that. As you can see, that goes in very, very easy. And as easy as it goes in, it comes off very easy also. As you can see, the first thing you'll do is you'll maneuver this back, safely relieve the pressure on the hose, pull it forward, take the hose out. Again, goes in easy. This is absolutely relieve the pressure, pull forward, take it loose. And again, the only thing in this company that is second to safety is our professionalism. And again, I want to thank you for taking a look at this video.